Hi everyone. Hello. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. This Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here 7 in this column, the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. A 1 in this row, a 1 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then a 2 in this column, a 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for a 2 should be here. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about these 2 numbers in the third column? The missing numbers here are the 9 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then 6, 8. 4, 3, 3. How about yeah, what number can I use? Yes, in this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there, but I see here already a 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. There 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Then how about 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, and the 9. Yes, these are 3 missing numbers in the middle column. The missing numbers are the 4, 5, and the 9. 4, 5, and the 9. I see here a 9, and I see here a 5. So no 9 and a 5 in this box. That means 1 digit left for this box should be the 4. Here goes the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 9, 1, and 6. I need a 6. How about 9? Oh, 9, 4, 5. Yeah. 3. Wow. 2. Yeah. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only 1 place left for the 1. Should be here. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 9 and the 7. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 9. We see here a 7, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 3 and the 9 are left. We see here a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in this column, a row. 9 in the second row, so in the first row. The only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. And now, how about 6? Well. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and 8. Wow. 3 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. One missing number in this row for the number 4. One missing number in this big square for the number 5. Then 4 is how about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. There are 4, no 4 in that box. One box left for the 4 should be here. Then how about 6? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3 should be here. The other two numbers in this big square, the missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One missing number in the first column for the number 5, I believe, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 5. No, 5 we have 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then 1 number left in the middle row for the number 3, I believe, yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 number left in this row, third row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 4 and 5, I believe. Yes, 4 and 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 6. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. You like this Sudoku? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching again for this second Sudoku. In a minute, I will continue with the third Sudoku in this additional of this newspaper of Friday, May the 22nd, 2020. This third Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. So I see you in a minute. Bye bye.